Hey guys, this is Eric from FinalCutStudiosSchool.com, and I'm here to show you how to make a logo inside of Motion. A simple logo. It's just something that's generic. If I infringe on anybody's rights, I apologize. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to make me some shapes. Let's make us. I'm going to go up here to my Create Shape button, and I'm going to create a triangle. We'll go here, 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 and here. Now we have us a triangle. Let me open up my project so we can see what's going on. Now you can see I have a group with my triangles in it. So I'm going to rename my group Triangles. And I'm going to duplicate this triangle a couple times by hitting Apple D or Command D. I like the Command key better because I don't Apple anything. I command it to do something. So let me duplicate this 3 times, or 2 times actually, because I already got 1 copy. So I'll hit Command D twice. Now, as you can see, this copies my shape 3 times. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go in here and make these a different color. I'm going to rename them red, green, and blue. So I'm going to name this one red. And then the next one blue. And the next one green. Now we have a red, green, and blue labeled triangles. So let's go in here and change them to the corresponding color. Want to? Let's grab our green one, go to Fill, and change it to green. Let's grab our next one, which is red. We'll change it to red. And the next one, blue, we'll change it to blue. Like that. Okay, now we've got these 3 triangles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my screen size down to 50% so I can see the work outside the area. I'm going to close my group up and add another group. And this is going to be our text. Our fake company is going to be called RGB Entertainment. Like that. Let me position it here in the middle of the screen, and I'm going to bring it down here off screen a little bit, like that. I'm going to take my green triangle, move it off screen like this. My red one, my blue one's going to go off to the right, and my red one's going to go off to the top. Now, I need to go in here and turn on my record button because I'm going to animate these triangles. I want them to come together in the center. So I'm going to hit my record button. I'm going to select my green, and I'm going to go 2 seconds in, or 48 frames. When I'm 48 frames in, I'm going to take my green triangle, go to my properties, and set the position to 0 and 0. Now I'm going to select my red or blue, whichever is next. Go back to the beginning. Take your playhead to the beginning. Go back to frame 48. Go to your position of your blue triangle. Set it to 0. There. Now, let's go to our red triangle and set its position to 0. There. Turn off my record button now. When I scroll in, all of our triangles come in together, but everybody knows that's in motion graphics. Red, green, and blue mean white. So we need to set these to where they interact with each other. So let's go up here, click this little triangle, select blend, and this will bring in our blend modes. And turn off opacity. Now I want to set my 3 triangles to add. 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 Now you notice, let me bring this back up to 100%. When they come in, they interact and change shape. And as you see, when they come together, they make white. So now let's go back to frame 48. And let's select our text. And let's move our text up. About right there. It looks pretty good. Let's set an out point, hitting the O, then hit Command Option O, and let me play it back. And as you can see, we have RGB Entertainment. A quick little logo inside Motion 3. This is what Motion is perfect for. No rendering, none of that crap. It's all real time, and you can throw something together real quick. Like I said, if there's an RGB Entertainment, I'm sorry. I just wanted to show my video viewers how to throw together a quick logo for a budding enterprise. So I hope you guys have learned something. I hope this has sparked a few ideas in your brain, and we'll see you next time.